I don't know if there is one person that does not want to be healthy. And in this coronavirus epidemic situation that we are facing right now, more and more people are concerned about their health. And the question arises, is it easy or hard to stay healthy? And in this video, we are going to answer this question. By the way, my name is Dimitri Etsakic from channel One with Medicine. And if you're looking to improve your health, to build a healthy lifestyle, then this is the channel for you. What you need to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon right next to it, and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get to the deep video. In the first century, we are experiencing a very fast lifestyle, a lot of fast food eating, a lot of missed workouts, not enough time to prepare whole foods, to prepare healthy meals, to go to the gym, go just work out, move more. There is more sedentary jobs, there is a lot of studying, whatever, and all these factors contribute to unhealthy lifestyle. And don't forget the stress that is pretty much become a constant thing in 21st century. Also lack of sleep. All these factors will damage people's health, will damage your health. So I have gathered few things that you have to manage if you want to stay healthy. And a lot of people are like, yeah, I'm taking these vitamins, I'm taking these mineral supplements, I'm taking this plant daily, I should be healthy. No, those things don't do shit if you don't have the core components, the core things managed in your life. And what are these core things that you have to manage? These are fitness level, nutrition, sleep and rest, also stress management, and social health. I will go a bit deeper about every single one of these. So, the first thing, fitness. I'd say it has to be a really nice balance between aerobic and anaerobic activities. Aerobic activities like cardio, jogging, whether it's like high intensity cardios or low intensity, long time cardios or something like that, you should have some aerobic activities. What I like personally is swimming and even sometimes running, but more like swimming. And when it comes to anaerobic activities, these are bodyweight exercises and calisthenics and lifting weights. What I recommend is maybe both if you can do them, but just lifting weights is really good. Or if you're doing calisthenics and bodyweight exercises, just go outside, do them in parks. It's really good. It's much better than, for example, doing it in a house. So you should go and do it outside if you're doing those things. So when it comes to fitness, it should be a balance between aerobic and anaerobic activities. Both have their pros and cons, and why are they important for health? You should consider doing both of them. The second thing is nutrition, and this is the big one. Everyone is talking about nutrition like they are all dietitians, and you need to understand that there is not really an importance in counting calories, counting micronutrients or macronutrients. There is no importance in that. What you should consider is having a healthy, balanced diet. You should take enough protein, fats, especially healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Don't be afraid of either one of them. You should not be afraid of any type of macro or micronutrient. And also you should eat a variety of foods, especially the vegetables and fruits, in order to get enough minerals and vitamins in your diet. So it's very important to have a balanced diet, to take all the necessary nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and elements for your body to function properly and to be healthy. Okay, the third thing, sleep and rest. And I've done a whole big video about this topic, and it should be right here, I think, on a card. You can click it if you want to watch it. But long story short, it's 6 to 7 hours of sleep every single night, of continuous sleep to be exact, and you should try to avoid doing things that can damage your sleep at night. For example, using phone, TV, computers just before you go to bed, etc. You can click the video up there, you can watch the whole video. It's a bit longer video, but it's a really good video. It's actually my first video, and I'm really proud of it. The last, because for me it's one of the most important things that people neglect, and let's right now talk about the social health. What I mean by that is you going out and creating deep, meaningful relationships with other people, whether it's the opposite sex, having partners and having relationship with people, and also creating friendships. And it's very, very important, because loneliness is not a good thing for humans. Humans are social animals, and we are thriving in societies, in social circles. We are not thriving doing something alone. We are not that kind of animal. So loneliness actually drives people insane. So you should go try to become more social, and all these friends, all these people and relationships with them can help you. You can get a lot of benefits from them, emotionally, physically, and it's very, very important to have deep, meaningful relationships with people. And I've left it as the last, but should be first, is stress management. I cannot stress enough how much this is important, right? So people actually neglect stress a lot in 21st century, but for example, let's take USA. USA has the best prevention, diagnostics and treatment for diabetes, hypertension and cardiovascular complications, right? And they have never seen a bigger number of patients with exact these illnesses. So what is actually the problem? The problem is stress. People are stressing in 21st century constantly. And what are the main stress, reservoirs? And that's schools and jobs, especially the jobs. Because your managers, bosses, they can really produce a lot of stress, and that's mainly because they don't make you feel safe in the environment, in the place where you work. And also you don't feel safe in schools. You think that something is going to happen, bad grades or whatever. Also your parents sometimes have an absurd amount of pressure on you to perform. So this is all causing frustrations, fear, anxiety, and that's what causes the stress. And how do we manage the stress is really hard to do so. And what I've tried in my personal life is to somehow not really put that much importance on the things. For example, the university. I have seen much, much better performance if I was not really caring that much for how I pass the exam, what grade do I have, what do I get from that exam. So I don't put that much stress, I don't put that much importance on stuff, and that way I don't stress that much on, for example, for my studies. And that way I can even better perform, and I've seen that. I've experienced that I have performed much, much better if I didn't put that much importance on the things that I'm doing. So I'm just gonna be there hustling, studying a lot, but not really caring whether I pass the exam. And actually not caring that much about it makes me pass it even better, makes me perform even better. It's weird, but it's like that, yeah. And there is few things more that you can do about the stress, and that is, for example, meditation, also going out, don't drink alcohol, but going out, socializing, and for example, going into nature. That calms people quite a lot and reduces the stress. And what I say is most important about stress is having other things that I've talked about, other components of your life managed. Because if you don't have a good fitness level, if you don't have a good nutrition, you're not sleeping enough, something like that, you're not socializing, that puts a stress on you. That puts a lot of stress on your body, and you don't want that. So, to conclude the topic of this video is you have to manage all these things together. You don't want to just let go of one thing. You're not going to I'm not going to be sleeping at all throughout the nights. I'm going to be studying or doing whatever, going out, drinking alcohol, and I will be having a perfect diet. I will be working out, everything else, and you want to be healthy. No, that's not going to happen. So you have to manage all of these, I think 5 components that I've talked about, and then you can think about whether I'm taking this vitamin plant or some shit like that. These things do not work if you don't have these 5 components managed in your life. So I guess that's it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. We upload on Fridays, and stay tuned.